lots of cabinets. So you can see when you walk in, you walk right into the kitchen, dishwasher, stove and microwave. Nice sized living room. I'm gonna go back this way so you can see the kitchen this way. And the dining table counter. Real nice plantation shutters. And the ceiling's gorgeous. Bathroom, really high ceilings, which is nice, it makes it feel larger. Built-ins. Tiled shower. Another shot of the living room. A nice deep closet, which just comes in really handy, as you know. Okay, and this is the twin room with nice setup with drawers and closet space, TV. So it's got hanging and then the drawers as well. And then the master, which is very unusual, well, can't call that the bigger bedroom. This is a king size bed. And it fits. And then, wonderful thing, a half bath. Okay, again, plantation shutters. King size bed that has room for two end tables or nightstands, which is crazy. And again, the closets with the hanging on the top and the drawers on the bottom. So that's 21 Kingfisher inside. Next will be the underneath. And this is the east part of the house, the underneath space, which has seating. And I believe this is just a storage closet for the owner. I don't have a key to that. Again, just 3 from the ocean. Great location. Okay, so we'll start outdoor shower. This is underneath. With washer and dryer, slop sink. Room for some storage. It's the typical size lot, which is 50 by 32. So, well, I'm parked right in the middle, but you can park. You might be able to get four small cars on this driveway.